goodness, my muscle memory is just kicking in this morning. I don't regularly play like this. However, I just felt like, let me break this down for you. Okay, so yeah, in a very simplified way, I'm going to break it down. So we're actually maintaining the melody while we do some chord changes on the first instance of the song. So we did okay, so those 3 chord changes, we maintain the melody. And let me tell you what those chords are. So we did the 4 chord, which is actually the E major 9th chord, but we're actually doing an add-13 right there. So we're gracing actually from the C sharp to the D sharp. So that's why it resolves to an E major 9th chord. But actually it's add-13 in there because the C sharp there is the 13th. Okay, so then we'll go to the next chord, and this is actually like the 3 chord because there's the 3 on the bass, which is a D sharp. However, we're playing a monster chord, and this is actually a D minor 11th chord. Okay, this is what Jamal always calls like the steroids, if I can remember. So very wide span kind of chord. So you can see that we're actually still maintaining the melody right there. That's G sharp. Okay, so look at this chord right here. This is an A major 13th chord. Okay, A major 7th with an add-13 right there. However, I love to see it as a 5 chord over the 6. Okay, if you look at it, you can see in the key of A, this is actually the 5 chord, which is an E major triad, second inversion. Then this is the 6, and that is actually F sharp minor, first inversion. Okay, so we're actually doing it like this all together, maintaining the melody. Then we go to the chord, and this is a D sharp dominant 7th chord. That's on the 3 actually, so that takes us actually to the 6. And this chord is actually a G sharp minor 9th chord. That's the 6. So but we quickly played, and that's how we got there to the 6. I did some couple of movements in there, but that's not the focus. The focus is basically those chord changes. So let me do it one more time. So I said, let me do it again.